Hey guys, we are going to this abandoned, old and big factory in Shanghai. You don't know, but it's very common in Shanghai that places like that have a surprise inside. So go with me and let's see what we can find. Let's go! Dun, 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 dun. Hey everybody! Hey Luis, where are you?
插画小镇
Yes, in Minghan district. And very quick story about this place. It's a very old factory, but the Shanghai government, they take it and rebuild into an art gallery. So I hope you can go with me and explore this gallery. Let's go! We find a very big robot here and let's walk around. Well, this gallery is a little bit strange. As I told you before, it's a factory which is abandoned, but they make it up into our gallery. So yeah, it's it's quite interesting. Right now we have the wall. They made it full of graffiti, and yeah, let's check it out more. Okay, let's go. So it seems like every single corner they try to use single spot to put something maybe a little bit bizarre, or I don't know. I'm not very into art too much, so I really just don't know what is the concept of that. But I have seen very, let's say, very interesting kind of art. Have a look, this one is very impressive how they can make all these details. Let's have a look. Well, I think I found the artist, which is great. He's making a new one. Wow, here we go. So, and the other way, there are more artists. So, it seems like they use just rubbish or trash into the art. It's quite impressive. So, as you see, they use everything for making art. If you know something about art and you know how is the real name of this one, please just write down. I would like to learn about it. I feel it's quite interesting. Let's have a look more. It's a lot of art, I don't know, bizarre. And now we're going to the big room where they have a lot of things. So that room could be very, very interesting. So let's have a look this one. So here we go. So in the Shanghai illustration town, as I told you before, guys, this is all a very old factory. So they're becoming an exhibition center right now. So let's have a look inside. Well, here's the entrance. So there is a section they call dark room, which is over there. Let's have a look. Here we go, guys. Let's see what we can find in the dark room. And oops. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, they use the lights. Oh, very impressive. Oh, that is good. Whoa, it's dark. It's really dark. Okay. So, guys, I will show you around. Oh, it's a very cool effect. And there's one more way here. And very impressed. And then we're going to have like a storage. Oh wow, this is cool. So, okay, ready? For you, man. So wow, this is like a storage of. Ooh, this is great. So many things. Too many things. Wow. Whoa. Let's have a look. So we have this guy, which is an astronaut. Yes, it's a really bizarre art. I don't know exactly the name of this kind of art, with a lot of things without any sense, but it's very impressive. It's very impressive. Well, guys, it's a strange art gallery with a very unique way to express different kind of feelings. Oh wow. It's also kind of weird humor. So yeah, it's quite fun. It's in Minghan district, far away from downtown, and we have a skull with a lot of octopus going outside. So yeah, it's quite good. So we have a robot with the baby. Maybe she's pregnant. So yeah, very impressed. We have a white, whoa, big guy over there. The white Santa Claus. Very good. That was the dark room with a storage room as well. And yeah, let's see what else we can find. Hey! That girl over there is my friend, Emily. So she's playing a little bit about this area, about this art gallery in Minhan District. Well, finally 2 cars, which is a little bit unique cars that maybe I can take a ride with this car. But I found a good one, which is probably my favorite one. I will show you right now, and it's this one. It's a black one with a black tone outside. So yeah, definitely this one is quite good. Well, because I talk a lot, so probably this is why the tongue is out, because I'm talkative. I talk too much. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and see you soon.